Hello, my name is Mike. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Invoices landing page to manage your daily work. I've signed in as an Accounts Payable Manager. Let's start by navigating to the Invoices landing page. First, I'm going to review each info tile to see what areas I need to focus on. The Scanned info tile categorizes the incomplete scanned invoices into 3 aging buckets. They've been automatically assigned to specialists for review and completion. The Recent info tile shows me how many invoices I updated or created within the last 7 days. This red slice shows me the portion that still has to be validated. The Holds info tile categorizes the different types of holds. Accounts payable specialists have to correct invoice data to resolve the validation holds. Managers like me review and release the purchasing holds. The other holds need further investigation. From the Approvals info tile, I see that I have a couple of invoices to approve. I can also track the invoices pending approval from others. A few invoices were rejected. The Prepaid info tile categorizes the available prepayments into 3 aging buckets. I see that one's been available for more than 60 days. I'm going to look at the scanned invoices that have been incomplete for 15 days or more. Some of them are assigned to the same specialist. I'll have to call Edward and find out when he's going to complete them. Next, I'll release a purchasing hold. First, I'll sort by due date to find the hold that I want. I'm going to release this hold because I already know the excess quantity was sent at my request. This default release reason is fine. That's one less invoice on hold. Now I'll approve invoices. Both invoices are fine to pay. I'll add a comment. I'm finished with my approvals. So I've reviewed the info tiles and performed tasks that required my attention, all from the Invoices landing page. Thank you for watching.